Hi, hi guys. So I just got a new package of my new Dark Wolf Beyblade. I just got it today. It was $30. Well, it's in the description. It was fine. See, Dark Wolf NQ Beyblade, given in parts. 2 extra Beyblades, not that good. Ripcord launcher, the thing you have to pull out. He gave every detail. Launcher, the handle which you hold. For some extra parts, not needed. Note: the Dark Wolf NQ will be given in parts. What? We already said that in top. Yeah. Okay. Dark Wolf. It says it's an attack type right over here. Attack type. It's a Dark Wolf NQ. Oh, it was 30. Okay. Then this is 7 plus. And it was from Lego Raiders. Time to open this thing. And he's not a good packer. Holy crap. Nice. This is the card. It's awesome. Launcher. Parts for the parts for my Beyblade. Let's see if they give the 2 extra Beyblades like the 2. What crappy Beyblades. Seriously. Got him off. Packaging. Seriously. It's okay, but this isn't so okay. But this is awesome. Okay, let me just give these 3 tries. Let me give these 3 a try. Wait, there's something else in this. Oh, not needed. These are the extra parts. Dumbos. Oh, one of them is needed, just like keeping them here. Yeah, maybe it's just 1 part is needed, 2 parts are needed. Okay. Let's give this thing a try. First, let me try let me try Dark Wolf. What? Nice. Awesome. Let's see the other ones. Still spinning. Okay. The next one. Okay, the first I'm gonna first extra Beyblade. Horrible. Seriously. Once more. Anyway, if you want, you can skip this part, but whatever. I'm just showing you the Beyblade. Let's see what I can do. Let it rip. Holy crap. Breaking it works. Look at this, it broke completely. No, not completely. Just a bit easy. You know this because I bought another one a long time ago. Here it comes, here it comes. That was fixed. I have two of these big things. Order. Same one doesn't work properly. I got 9. Okay, let's try the other one. I'm sorry for wasting your time if I am. This one rings okay. Not as good as that. But just to show you, I just want to show you my Dark Wolf once more. Rip. So let's start with Dark Wolf. Let's see this. Still spinning. Anyway, now to teach you how to make it. I know I already taught you in another video. Not the Beyblade, but this. Unpacking and all that. Let me just see it first. I'm only going to teach you how to make this part because I already know how to make it. Okay. The grip, you can make whatever you want. And seriously, see one thing. Okay, got it. Okay, first, what you need, this is it, okay. First, you need one of these long things, and then you need 2 of these. Here's everything, guys. 2 of these. Keep it like this. So you get something like this. Then you keep one of these 2x2 circles. Then keep it like this. See, wrong way. This. And then what you do is take one of these, put it right through, like this, through the second one, not the